Okay. Today is one of them days, bro. I don't feel like doing anything. I'm running a fever. I played basketball yesterday for like 3 hours, full court, for the first time in like 2 months. So I'm super out of shape and I'm crazy sore. But it doesn't matter, bro. You gotta keep working. So I'm gonna keep doing this series. I'm gonna keep my word. And today we're gonna do a farmer's walk, which is very easy. I love these for days where I feel like total shit because, what is that? Because some days, man, you don't, God. It may not even be good for you to be super crazy physically active. Just farmer's walk's quick, it's easy, it's very simple. This episode is it's going to be a quick one. I'm not feeling it today. I feel very sick, and that's okay. It's part of Crohn's. The thing that happens when I do feel like this, this is one of those things sometimes Crohn's just acts up, and there's no explanation for it. In this case, though, it's I played ball, and sometimes if I play basketball at night, 6 p.m. to 8 or 11 or whatever, I go home, and when I try to sleep, I can't because the endorphins are crazy and like you have a lot of energy still, or I do. So I didn't sleep very well either last night. Sleep's a huge thing with Crohn's. If you don't sleep, and this is true with people in general, just if you don't sleep well, your body doesn't recover as well, which is why I feel like, I imagine this is what feeling hungover is like. I can't drink, but it's almost like you have the flu to a degree. It's like, anyway, point is, you get it if you have Crohn's. You understand exactly what I'm talking about. So yes, today we're doing farmer's walks, so let's get into this shit. How do I transition? We'll do this. Okay. I forgot to do the transition before I started my farmer's walk, so I'm sorry about that. But in terms of continuity, it probably doesn't matter that much, so. Okay. Farmer's walks. These are the easiest shit ever. The concept is you just pick up something heavy, and you carry it for an amount of time. However long you can carry it. For me, I like to do 5 minutes. Well, hold on. Let me just show you what I'm... One second. Alright. Can you see where it says 150 pounds? I hope you can see that. That is a sandbag. It's not 150 pounds because Amazon sucks dick. And they sold me a 150 pound sandbag that I can't fit 150 pounds of sand into. But that's not what this video is about. The point is, so it's 100 pounds. It's heavy. The reason I like farmer's walks is because there's this study or some shit that it says if you can carry your body weight for a minute, like in your 30s and your 40s and everything, the likelihood of you breaking bones when you fall, as you age, like in your 70s and everything, you're much less likely to break bones, which is, to me, a huge deal because I have arthritis too, on top of Crohn's, which is awesome. So farmer's walks are huge for me, man. My legs are so sore right now from basketball, but they are very strong because I have ran for so many years playing basketball, sprinted, and I've also done lots of lifting because I just want to keep my legs strong. So, I think, hold on. Let me see something here. I'm not getting naked, chill out, this ain't OnlyFans, but can you even see my legs? It's okay, it's not that relevant. Maybe we can move the camera over a little bit. I don't know if you can see my legs, but they're all right. They're muscular. You know, they're not huge, but you can tell I work on them like pretty often, pretty well. So, yes, we're gonna do farmer's walk. I'm only doing a minute today, because, like I said, I'm running a fever, and sometimes it's better to, you know, if you're running a fever, if you're really sick or something, it's better to just chill out and not go crazy. So I'm not going to do 5 minutes today. I'm going to just do 1 minute. So I'm just going to walk back and forth. And yeah, that's going to be what it is. It's just basically, it's proof that I'm doing what I can to, you know, fight Crohn's. That's what this is. It's you're staying strong, and you were getting, this is somewhat of a lift, you know. This is more maintenance type lifting than it is strength building, if that makes sense. You're just keeping your legs strong. So yeah, let me shut the hell up and do this and get it over with, because damn it, I want to fucking lay down. Okay, so can you even see the bag? Come back with the camera a little bit. So if you do these, be careful with your back, dude. Don't twist your back as you're lifting, because you're gonna fuck your back up. That's the one thing about this that is really important. You gotta be careful about not hurting your back. Lift with your legs. So like, bend on down, get your arms up underneath the bag, and then lift with your legs. Keep your face pointed in the same direction, keep your face in front of you, because if you're like this, that's more of a twist kind of motion. Damn, I'm sore, bro. Holy shit. Okay, let's get this. Okay. And then you just walk around. Walker man walks. Oh shit, I didn't start my timer. Hold on. Start. Okay. Alright, it's like you're carrying around a little kid or something. A little kid, it's a fat ass kid, 100 pounds. So yeah, you just walk around. You can do some squats if you want. Just stay moving with it. It's honestly super easy. I used to work construction, and we would carry, what do you call it? Concrete. God. And that was like 80 pounds per bag. So sometimes you would try to carry 2 at once, which is like 160. And that was hell, but I could do it. And I'm telling you, bro, you do this for a while, and your stability, your muscles for stability are gonna really... Wow, that was a minute. You see how fast that is? I mean, that went by super fast. Okay, hold on, let me put this down. Okay. And that is how you do a farmer's walk. Kinda shittily. You probably should just walk straight ahead or something, but I don't give a fuck. As long as you're exerting yourself, and clearly I was exerting myself, especially with what do you call it? Like if you run into fever or something, bro, chill. Don't do something crazy. Do what you can. I decided today that I could do this, and you just saw me do it, so there you fucking go. Anyway, we'll go back to the table now, and I'm gonna contemplate dying or something. Okay, we're back at the table now. So as you can see, that was probably the easiest exercise that I do. I really like that one because it's so simple, and it's a lot of work, you know, in terms of, you know, think about like your kid is on your back and you're walking around, and they're 100 pounds. Like, you know, that's not nothing, dude. You're gonna get tired doing that eventually. So I only did 1 minute today, but I swear, dude, there's this, I'm sure you've heard of this thing called the placebo effect. I'm a very gullible person as it is, but The placebo effect is the idea that your thoughts kind of, okay, just, I don't know how else to explain it, but I'll do it this way. I'm not sick, but I'm running a fever. It's probably 102 or something. I feel like crap. I did the farmer's walk, and now I feel not perfectly healthy or anything, but much better, and I have like a little bit more energy. So I'm telling you, dude, physical activity works. You know, I'm in less of a bad mood now. I feel a little better. So more than worth it, dude. Do some farmer's walks. I'm telling you, do 50 pounds, do 35 pounds, whatever you can do. Just get on it, because I'm telling you, it's medicine. Physical activity is medicine. And we take enough medicine as it is, as people with Crohn's. So get on it, man. Get some physical activity in. I also want to talk about, I started this video talking about how I didn't sleep well last night. And like on days that you have to work or you have obligations and responsibilities throughout the day, and you slept 3 or 4 hours the night before and you feel like absolute garbage and you got to power through it. Well, how do you do that? It's like, for me, I like taking naps on those days, but you can really this happens to me, I can screw my sleep schedule up quite a bit by taking like a 2-hour nap during the day. I don't know why that happens, but it happens sometimes. But if you have to take a nap, man, go for it. Like, I used to hate naps, but as I get older and this disease progresses, I like them a lot more because I think they're good for you. Sleep is recovery, so we'll do an episode on that someday. I also wanted to show you guys what I'm working on for the future. So our plan, the rough plan, I'm going to just show you the little scratch I got here. So these are the episodes that are coming out in the next few weeks. I don't know if you can read my chicken scratch, but after we get through with all of the physical activity episodes, we're going to go to nutrition and sleep and food. The biggest thing, food, probably, because food, when it comes to Crohn's, is absolutely vital. You have to be very careful about the food that you eat. You know this. And I'm excited to talk about that because I have a lot of information on food. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's episode. I don't want to sit here and ramble all day. Yeah, on the days that you just bad day, running a fever, feel like crap, stomach's hurting, zero energy. That was the biggest thing for me today, is just I have no energy. Do what you can. Do something simple, physical activity-wise. Do something simple, something easy to get done. And that way you did something for the day. You feel a little bit better about yourself. Even if you don't feel better physically, mentally, it'll help you out a little bit. So hang in there, man. We gonna make it. Yeah, see you in the next one.